What's going on, guys? FMJ83 here. A little quick review back from the range. Canik Mate SFX 20 rounds. I mean, you can't ask for any more, man. $550, a bunch of things inside the box. The speed mac well. I mean, the trigger is beautiful. That's the best part of this gun. About the Holosun, it goes well with it. My first red dot on the pistol. I do have to say that it's 6 MOA. It's a big dot. So it's gonna be good for like close quarters, like from 25 and, you know, for like close encounters. Something far or something real small you wanna shoot, and the dot is gonna cover it. So just so you know. I know this is the HS407K, the 405, the 507K, I think it is. It costs about $100 more, and you have smaller MOA and like more options on the red dot. But you know, I didn't want to go so expensive, and it's okay. I'm good with it. So what I did pretty much, the gun is empty, clear. I put it right here. I put the red dot on it, and just looking like that, I start hitting the settings, and I put it right on top of the front sight. And as I did that, when I went to the range, it was right on the money. All I had to do was, like, you know, elevation, a little up or down. But windage, it was right on point. So just a little tip, if you want to sight your thing before you go to the range, just, you know, look for a flat platform and make sure the magazine, the mag well or whatever, is seated on a flat surface. And, you know, put yourself straight to it and put that right on top of your front side, and you should be good. You should be right on the money on paper when you get, it's kind of hot in here, guys, when you get to the range. So that was the experience. The other thing I love about this red dot sight, you don't have to remove it ever again. After you put it in, the battery goes on the side. So that's beautiful. That's one of the things that made me buy this thing. So, and you keep your iron sights with this gun, and you are able to co-witness. With this Holosun, I still see my iron sights. So beautiful thing, guys. So my experience, I only put 150 rounds because I wanted to zero the red dot, and I went with my son, and we had a blast. No hiccups, no problems. So there you have it. If you want a gun for $550 around there, and a whole bunch of things inside the box, and you can go ahead and buy a red dot and put it on. I mean, you're saving $500, $550 plus $250 on the red dot. It was like $230 or something like that. And it's all worth it. So no regrets. I love it. So if you like it, you like the review, hey, I recommend this thing. So FNJ83, I don't take any more of your time. See you on the next video. Keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep liking. I really appreciate all of that from you guys. So see you later, guys.